I want the community to know that the library is here for them, that they can look around and say, hey, we got a problem, the library can help us solve that problem. I want them to see the library as being an entity that's helped them to grow their community, to build their community, where they can have the resources that they need. Library is about providing for the whole person. We're getting more into other things other than books. Libraries still cater to books, but they're looking to expand upon that person, the community, and what their needs are. Some people come to us looking for a job. Some people are looking to start a business, and oftentimes they come to us for those resources. We have those resources, and that's what we're trying to focus on those needs for those in the community.
I'm just here to listen. If you guys have questions for me, I'm going to probably direct them back to your peers.
Digital inclusion is so important in life, whether we're talking about our day-to-day health needs, business, entertainment. Everything is reliant more and more upon technology and the internet.
Luckily, we had Wi-Fi in my car. So the first day, my daughter was in the car the whole day on Wi-Fi until we could get a hotspot.
We need to ensure that everyone has access to be able to conduct telehealth, teleeducation, and workforce development, and that they have the devices that they need, and they have training on those devices so that they know how to use them.
Entendieran de que aquí pueden venir y encontrar ayuda con tecnología, ayuda con empleo, recursos de la comunidad.
I can tell you now, today, anybody can walk into our libraries and feel welcome. If they don't feel welcome, come take a journey with me and let's talk about what are some of the things that you need. What are some of the things that you're looking for? Tell me what you would like to see done. We want to be able to provide those programs for you. It's about helping people get to where they want to be. You do it for the people and not for yourself, but I do it because I love it. I love it. I love seeing people's lives change. And that's what libraries do. It changes people's lives.
Mi nombre es Berta Hernández, pertenezco a esta comunidad, entonces a mí me motivó venir porque yo necesito aprender, porque tengo nietos que yo necesito ayudarlos y entonces yo quisiera aprender y aprender todavía más porque pues estamos muy atrás. Pero hay ayudas y hay que aprovecharlas.
It says welcome. You see what it says Moxie right there? Mm-hmm. We're going to click. Remember how I showed you how to click?
Me llamo Eva Pereira. Quise venir porque me interesa lo de aprender a utilizar las herramientas de la tecnología, porque yo puedo compartir y contarles a ellos las actividades que hay aquí y que también puedan venir. Y creo que a todos vamos a salir muy beneficiados porque hoy en día no podemos estar sin tecnología. Esto podemos compartir con la comunidad y más gente puede venir, nos va a ayudar bastante, más hoy en día que se necesita ese tipo de información, es algo muy bueno.
What did you do today?
Learn the basic of the try to run my laptop and putting my email in and password.
Congratulations.
All right.
The best way for you to find out about what we're doing in the library is to go into one of our facilities. Go to our website. But the best way is to come into our libraries and see what we're all about. And as long as you keep moving forward, I can guarantee you things are going to get better or you're going to see things differently. And that's our whole role, is to go on the journey. And that's the key, going on the journey and being part of the journey.